30th of June, panic sales going through. These are more Cobras going through after record sales as plumbers gear up to buy Aussie Cobra drain cleaners before the end of the financial year. Most of these are sold already and they're going straight out the door as soon as they're built. Plumbing supply companies are going crazy, and gold distributors, tool shops, even cleaning supply shops are selling these great machines. These are Honda powered units going through now. 5,000 PSI cubes, stainless steel frames, big birdie pumps of course. These are Vanguard powered King Cobras. These are the big King Cobras that do 25 litres a minute and 5,000 PSI. Mighty machines that do a fantastic job and super fast. Again, sold out before they were even built. We really started plumbing revolution with the Aussie Cobra drain cleaning product range. Here at Aussie, it's always, of course, quality #1.